Shiba Inu, a high-flying competitor to Dogecoin, made waves last week when it became the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, effectively usurping the place long held by Dogecoin. Welcome to CryptoSpot. Let us know in the comments which crypto tokens you have. Before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, Shiba Inu bulls might be in for a double whammy. We've continued to note that the Shiba token was nearing a listing on the Robinhood brokerage platform. So, why is a potential listing of Shiba Inu coin on Robinhood such a big deal? Well, the brokerage platform remains popular with retail investors trying to gain exposure to prominent crypto names. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that experienced a similar momentum outburst earlier this year, had also registered outsized gains in the run-up to its listing on the popular brokerage platform. If the rumors are to be believed, then Elon Musk-owned Tesla Inc. could soon be adding the meme token Shiba Inu as a payment option. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that people didn't need to compromise to drive electric, that electric vehicles can be better, quicker, and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. Today, Tesla builds not only all-electric vehicles, but also infinitely scalable clean energy generation and storage products. Tesla believes the faster the world stops relying on fossil fuels and moves towards a zero-emission future, the better. And this is just the beginning. With Tesla building its most affordable car yet, Tesla continues to make products accessible and affordable to more and more people, ultimately accelerating the advent of clean transport and clean energy production. Electric cars, batteries, and renewable energy generation and storage already exist independently, but when combined, they become even more powerful. That's the future we want. Sawyer Merritt, the co-founder of Twin Birch, tweeted, saying, "The Tesla website source code shows Shiba under the payment type section in the code when clicking inspect element during checkout. Tesla might have been testing Dogecoin as a crypto payment option." An analysis of Tesla's source code showed the options to order in Shiba listed in between the existing choices order with card and order with Bitcoin. On Twitter, a user did some digging and said that this could actually refer to Dogecoin, and not the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. This makes sense as Musk has expressed his support for Dogecoin, and gently snubbed the Shiba Inu token. However, the latter has emerged as the 11th biggest cryptocurrency by market value at the time. The tweets carried screenshots explaining that the Shiba name mentioned on the Tesla page is actually Dogecoin. Elon Musk-led Tesla Inc., which is the top manufacturer of electric cars, might be planning to accept payments for its cars with the popular meme token, Shiba Inu. Without any official announcement by Tesla, many are now speculating that the car company will soon start to accept Shiba as payment for its cars. Elon's obsession for meme token. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, who happens to be the richest man in the world, is a major proponent of cryptocurrencies, including meme tokens. He advocated for Dogecoin several times, resulting in pumping the price of the token aggressively. Elon Musk has once again worked his magic as a result of the Tesla and SpaceX founders' latest tweet. Prices of Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed, and there is significant pressure on Tesla to accept Shiba Inu coin as a payment method from Shiba Inu investors and other crypto space partners. The current increase in the price of Shiba Inu indicates that it will reach 10 cents soon. For example, Tesla MicroStrategy and Square have already declared Bitcoin as a payment option for sale and purchase on their platforms. Furthermore, accepting Bitcoin as a payment option has opened up new opportunities for other cryptocurrencies to be accepted as valid payment options in the future. When thousands of other cryptocurrencies are accepted as payment options, Shiba Inu is the most prominent crypto coin to be accepted as a payment option. In addition to a long list of social media companies, e-commerce websites, travel agencies, and many other tech-driven corporations that accept cryptocurrencies for payments. Numerous company CEOs are rethinking the use of these cryptocurrencies in their organizations to join the crypto space. El Salvador is the first country to have declared Bitcoin to be legal tender in their country, having done so only recently. El Salvador's legislative agency passed a Bitcoin law on June 8, 2021, which was proposed by President named Bill Cayley, and declared Bitcoin the country's national currency on September 7, 2021. It was one of the most significant turning points in the history of cryptocurrencies, and it caused business titans to rethink and consider the significance of cryptocurrencies' influence in the emerging business world. With the acceptance of Bitcoin as legal tender, the Shiba Inu investors and holders were compelled to make greater efforts to ensure that Shiba Inu was accepted by well-known e-commerce and business companies. Daniel Hidalgo started a petition on the well-known petition website Change 3 months ago to raise awareness of this issue. In his petition, Daniel requested that Tesla and its founder Elon Musk accept the Shiba Inu coin as payment similar to how they already accept Bitcoin. Daniel believes that the Shiba Inu coin will be a great success for Tesla and its investors just as Bitcoin has been for them. Daniel included a request in his petition. He also requested that Tesla capitalizes on the high profit potential of the Shiba Inu coin to expand its operations. Shiba Coin has a large and well-organized community of Shiba Inu investors and holders who are interested in the coin. The Shiba community is referred to as the Shiba Army because they work together to support their beautiful coin. Tesla even invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin earlier this year, and even started to accept Bitcoin as payment for its cars. While the company has stopped taking Bitcoin for a while now, citing environmental concerns and divested some of its Bitcoin holdings, it is still holding the majority of its Bitcoin investments. Shiba developers initially marketed the token as a Dogecoin killer. After the popularity of its rival, crypto investors became very much interested in Shiba, another meme token, pumping the price of the cryptocurrency. Finance magnates recently reported that an anonymous investor, who invested merely $8,000 in Shiba Inu in August 2020 is now sitting on the meme token valued at $5.7 billion, which is the greatest trade known so far in any asset class. However, Tesla is not the only corporation interested in Shiba. AMC Theaters, one of the major global movie theater chains, is reportedly considering accepting Shiba Inu as payment. Despite the lack of an official confirmation from Tesla's CEO Elon Musk or from the company itself, many speculate the electric vehicle maker will soon begin to accept Shiba Inu as payment for its cars. The meme token has been gaining momentum and many believe its listing on Robinhood is imminent. The meme token became the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization last week, replacing the position long been held by Dogecoin. A petition on change.org requesting to list Shiba Inu on the trading app now has 466,463 signatures. Developers of the Shiba Inu initially marketed the meme token as a Dogecoin killer. Speculations about Shiba Inu being a future payment option for Tesla products has stemmed from the actions of Musk himself. The Maverick Tech CEO is a major supporter of cryptocurrencies, including meme tokens. His tweets on Dogecoin have contributed heavily to the token's meteoric price rise. Tesla has also invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin earlier in 2021, and even started accepting Bitcoin as payment for its cars. While it is true that the company has stopped taking in Bitcoin due to environmental concerns, the company has held on to the majority of its Bitcoin investments. Shiba Inu's coin is currently trading at $0.00007296, a slightly lower price than the all-time high price of $0.00008845. On Monday, cryptocurrency exchange Kraken indicated that it could list token on its platform. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on.